Mose Josek is a passionate student of international relations and the founder and chairperson of Nature's Patch, an organization dedicated to building sustainable communities driven by a commitment to diplomacy and leadership. He aims to be a transformative voice in addressing global environmental challenges. His vision is to inspire collective action and foster a lasting positive impact on both people and the planet. Our cities are growing. They are engines of opportunity, of connection. But in their rapid rise, something essential has been lost. A connection to the earth, to the air, to the food that sustains us. Our urban landscapes are facing a silent crisis of heat, of hunger, of disconnection. But what if we could rewrite this story? What if our cities could be more than concrete and steel? This is the vision of Nature's Patch. We imagine a city where food doesn't come from a distant farm, but from a forest in the heart of a neighborhood, where vacant lots burst to life, not with waste, where the very buildings themselves breathe, covered in living, growing gardens. This isn't just a dream, it's a mission taking root across Kenya. Our plan is ambitious yet simple: to plant 10 urban food forests, transforming forgotten spaces into sources of fresh, nutritious food for communities, to turn 50 barren roofs and 100 blank walls into vertical gardens, creating a new living skin for our city. This is about more than just planting trees. It is about cooling our overheating streets. It is about cleaning the air we breathe. It's about creating corridors for life, giving a home to bees, birds, and butterflies right here in the city. Most importantly, it's about people. It is about empowering communities to plant the seeds, to nurture the growth, and to share in the harvest. It is about training and jobs and a renewed sense of purpose rooted in the soil beneath our feet. We will work hand in hand with neighborhoods, with schools, with local leaders. We will teach, we will build, and we will grow together. We see a future where communities and nature don't just coexist, but thrive together. A greener, healthier, more sustainable Kenya is within our reach. This is our patch, Nature's Patch, and we invite you all to help it grow.